Hello all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to use Microsoft Excel using your mobile phone. All you have to do is open Play Store from your mobile phone and just type the name of the app as Microsoft Excel and install this particular app. Make sure that you have it from Microsoft Corporation and then click on this open for the app to get open. Just click on allow, and in order to use up this particular app, all you need is a Microsoft account. If you do not have one, it is very easy for you to create. But if in case you don't want to create, also fine, you can just start using this app. So this is the place where you're supposed to give your email or phone or a Skype name when you have registered under Microsoft account. If in case you do not have, just click on this sign in later. So once you click on sign in later, this particular screen just appears. Just click on this particular app next, and this is your choice. So just click on, if in case the app has any updates, you'll be receiving an update. So I'll just click on this don't send optional update and then click on close. And now you're all set to use Microsoft Excel. Now in order to create a new workbook, you can see this plus sign towards your right corner. Just click on that plus sign. So if you scroll down, you can see these are the available templates. So you have a family budget, you have personal budget, you have mortgage loan calculator, and so on. So I would encourage you in order to explore these templates in order to get to know how exactly this works. As of now, I want a blank workbook, so just click on this blank workbook for the workbook to get open. So this is how it will look like if in case you're using on your mobile phone. So if in case you're using on your desktop or laptop, you have home tab, insert, and so on. If in case you want those particular tab, you can see this particular option A with a small pen or pencil symbol. Just click on that. This will open up this particular dialog box. So just click here. You can see home, insert, draw, formula, review, and view. So these tabs will be there. If in case you want to insert comment or insert chart, just go with this insert, and that will open up the associated groups or related things with the option to insert. If in case you're not able to find out what in case you're looking for, you can see there is a bulb symbol over here. Just start typing over here. If in case you want to insert a table or add comment, just click on that and it will automatically show you where exactly that particular option is dealt with. So at the bottom you can see there is sheet 1. If in case you want to add one more sheet, you can see a plus sign over here. Just click on that. You can see sheet 2 has been inserted. So just click on that sheet 2 once. You can see rename, color, duplicate. So these are the normal options available if in case you use in your laptop or your desktop. So in order to, this is very user friendly. So in order to type in the data, just double click for the cell to get edit and just start typing the data. So I'll just type it as subjects. So you can see there is appearing a close sign and the tick mark sign, which means if in case you're okay with this, just click on that tick mark. Automatically it is done. Again, if you want to insert, just double click and start typing. I just give it as maths and click on this and then click on this tick mark. To move to the next cell, you can just select that cell and then again double click in order to enter the data. I'll just give the subject name, and then in my B1 column I want it as marks, so I'll type it as marks and then place your cursor there. I want to type in the marks of the student. To make it easier, you can see there is one particular option. Just click on that. So this particular numerical pad appears in order to make your work more easier. So I'll just give the marks, and once you are done with giving the marks, select the range of data. You can see there are two circles. Those circles are there to select your cells. So it makes it very easier to select this cell. So once you select that cells, at the top you can see it is automatically showing what is the sum, average, and these many functions are appearing. But still, if in case you want to make use of formula, on the numerical keypad itself you can see there is a sigma function or sum function. Just click on that. Automatically the sum function will appear. So just click on the tick mark in order to get the sum. And also, by making use of Excel, you can make use of any function like your lookup and so on. If in case you want to use that, just place your cursor in this fx and this particular dialog box appears. You can see towards the right hand side there is equal. Just type equals, and now you need the lookup function. Just click on this keyboard and then start typing lookup. So you can see that the functions starting with appears. Now I need lookup. Once you select lookup, you can see automatically the argument starts appearing. So you can just select whichever function you require. So as of now I'm not calculating anything, so I'll just close this. And then formatting is very easier. So just select the data. Now I want to apply border. Now in order to apply border, just click on this particular symbol, and border, it's there at home tab. You can see border is appearing at here itself. So just select that border option and click on the border that you want. As of now I want all borders, so I have just selected. Now I want the subject and marks to appear in bold. So select it and click on this B button in order to make it bold. And also one interesting thing here is you can even insert chart by making use of this app. Now how do you insert chart? Just select the range of data, and then as of now it's there in home. Now I'll go with insert option. In insert option you can see this chart option. Just click on chart and select the chart that you require. So just select the chart. As of now I want this pie chart, and now you can see the marks is appearing here. Now once you insert the chart, all the elements which is related to chart appears over here. If in case you want to change the color, just select it and select the color that you want to change. So automatically the color will start getting change. So whichever color you want, just select that particular color. And if in case you want to change the layout, just select this layout. And layout in the sense, suppose this maths and science is appearing outside. If in case you want inside, just select this first layout. So you can see in maths it is 31% and in science it is 69%. So there are a lot more options available. And similarly, if in case you are not finding any of the options here, you can see there is a bulb option over here. Just start typing whatever you want. Suppose you want to insert comment. Just type insert and then comment. You can see that insert comment is automatically there. So just select that in order to insert the comment. So if in case you're not finding, you can just go with this option. So I would encourage you to explore this app in order to get more interesting about this thing. So I have just told you the basic, like how exactly this works. Now in this app automatically it will get saved, but if in case you want to save, just click on this three dots towards right hand side. You are having save as option. You can just click on save in order to save this particular worksheet, or otherwise if in case you want to share it as PDF, you can just go with the first option. Just click on save. Once you click on save, it will ask where exactly you want to save it. If you want export, just click on this export option and then give the name. I'll just give the name as marks list and select the place where exactly you want to export this. Now I want to export this to storage. Select the path and then click on export. So once you click on export, automatically this file will be exported to your mobile phone, or otherwise even if you do not save, this will be saved. Thank you for watching my channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to receive further updates.